Filing your income tax return, paying your advance taxes, knowing whether you are eligible for an income tax returns sounds really complicated, and doing these is a really daunting task. But what if you have a single tool which can help you with all of these things at a single place? Hello everyone, this is Shanawaz and I welcome you all to Friday First Cuss series. In this video, we will navigate through the Fintoo's chatbot and get tax advice and help related to tax complexities. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting, download the Fintoo app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open the app and click on Advice. You will get a welcome note from Fintoo and it will ask you to choose from either I need advice on investments or you need advice on personal tax. Click on you need advice on personal tax and click on I want to file my ITR. It will ask to enter your name, your email ID and your phone number along with the country code. Then it will ask you to select what kind of income do you have. Either it's less than 50 lakhs, more than 50 lakhs, income from house property, income from capital gains or income from business. Select the suitable option and click on the tick mark to move forward. Once you select the suitable option applicable to you, the chatbot will tell you which ITR form is suitable for you. Then it will tell you to watch videos to know more about Form 26AS and AIS statement. If you wish to file your ITR from the official income tax portal, the chatbot will redirect you to the ITR website, and once it will also show you a video for the reference purpose showing the detailed process on filing your ITR from the income tax portal. And if you face any difficulty while filing your ITR from the official income tax website, you can connect with the tax experts by clicking on Connect Me Now to get instant answers, or you can schedule an appointment according to your suitable time and day. And if you wish to file your income tax returns from the ClearTax portal, you can select File your returns to ClearTax. It will show you a reference video on how to file your ITR returns from a step-by-step detailed process on the ClearTax portal. Now, if you need assistance to know more about advanced tax, click on I need to know about advanced tax. The chatbot will ask you to choose from the suitable options. For example, do I need to pay advance taxes? How do I pay advance tax? Or assistance to pay advance tax? Click on do I need to pay advance tax to get to know whether you are liable to pay advance tax or not. It will ask you to do it yourself or get expert help. Click on do it yourself and it will give you a link to which will navigate you to a calculator where you can fill in your details related to your income, deductions, and you will get whether you are liable to pay advance tax or not. And if you click on expert help in case you need expert advice from a tax expert, you can click on click now to get in touch with the tax experts, or you can schedule a future appointment depending upon the suitable date and time. And our experts will get in touch with you to help you with filing your income tax or in relation to advance tax. The second option in the advanced tax option will tell you if you want to know how can you pay advance tax, click on how do I pay advance tax. The chatbot will redirect you to a reference video and it will give you two options to pay your advance tax through the income tax portal or through the NSDL portal. You can click depending upon the suitable option and pay your advance taxes. So that was all about advance taxes and knowing whether you are liable to pay advance taxes or how you can pay advance taxes from the NSDL portal or from the income tax portal. Now, if you wish to get details related to your income tax refund, click on how do I get the income tax refund. The chatbot will ask you to select the financial year for which you need details related to your income tax refund. Then it will ask you to enter your PAN along with the password that is of your income tax portal. So once you've selected the financial year along with entering your PAN card and the password for your income tax portal, a chatbot will tell you whether you are eligible for an income tax return for that financial year or not. So if you want to calculate your eligibility for the income tax return for the upcoming financial year, select no and our chatbot will redirect you to a calculator So once you'll click the link to the calculator, you will get a detailed calculator where you can enter your income details, your deductions, your capital gains, your house rent, etc. details, category of the taxpayer, types of income. Once you've entered all these details, you will get to know whether you are eligible for an income tax return or not. Now, the fourth option on our Fintoo Chatbot tells you about tax management. If you wish to know how you can save your taxes and what are the various deductions and exemptions using which you can save your taxes, click on Tax Management. It will guide you to two detailed blogs about tax saving instruments and step-by-step process to save taxes and maximize wealth. You can click on either of the options to redirect to our knowledge section. And at last, if you wish to know about any income tax notice that you have got from the IT department, then you can click on I got notice from IT department, what should I do? The chatbot will redirect you to a reference video, and then if you need further assistance, you can click on click here to get in touch with our tax experts. You can select connect me now to get in touch immediately with the tax experts, or you can schedule an appointment at a later date. So this is how you can use the Fintoo's chatbot to know how to file your income tax return, to know more details on advanced tax, to check your eligibility for your income tax return, and learn how to manage your taxes. And remember, if you face any difficulty, you can get in touch with the tax experts and get resolution and help with any tax queries that you have. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.